Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making banana bread. So I'm going to give you a rundown of all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. And this is my bowl I'm going to be doing my mixing into. This is my baking pan. I have 2 cups of flour in this. I have my cinnamon here, my baking powder, my ripe banana. I have my vanilla. I have my baking soda, and I'm gonna have a tip of salt and an egg and half cup of butter and my nut and egg. Oops. And I'm gonna use a fork and I'm gonna use a spoon plus my measuring spoon. So okay guys, I'm gonna sieve my flour before I do my banana. I'm gonna get everything ready. So okay guys, I'm creaming my butter and my sugar together. So now my butter and my sugar is creamed together. I'm going to crush my banana. I'm going to crush my banana and put it aside so I can have everything ready. Okay, so my banana is crushed. So I'm gonna measure my vanilla. I'm gonna measure my vanilla and add to my banana. 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna mix all my wet ingredients together. I'm gonna add my banana to my butter and sugar. And I'm gonna add my egg. And I'm gonna give this a stir. Combine everything together. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. To our channel. Make us be a family, and I would like to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. So guys, share this video and to all your friends and family so they can subscribe to my channel. So okay guys, I'm gonna start adding my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add it in maybe 3 different phases. I'm gonna add little and then I'm gonna stir. Guys, you can add a raisin to your banana bread, but my daughter doesn't love raisins, so that's why I'm not putting any in there. So that is, you can add raisin. Who don't like raisin cannot, you can keep it out, but who love raisin can add the raisin. And even if you want a little rum inside, you can put a little rum inside. It even make it better. So guys, I'm using almond milk in my. You can use plain milk, but I'm not too up with the dairy right now, so I'm using almond milk in my banana bread. You could choose whatever milk you want. So while I've been drinking dairy milk, so.
While you're mixing? Want to stop while you're mixing it out?
Okay. Okay guys, so now all my stuff is in my bowl. I have everything mixed together. So now I'm gonna put them in the pan, but I'm gonna add a little raisin in one and a little rum. My daughter doesn't need no raisin in hers, so I'm just gonna give her hers without the raisin. So I'm gonna half my mixture into half. And guys, tell me how you make your banana bread in whatever country you are in. Just tell me how you do your banana bread, okay? Please make a comment and let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this with this one. And I'm gonna add raisin to this one. And a little rum. That's a little tip. Not much. Not much. Ooh, the rum is hot. Ooh. Okay guys, I'm gonna put the other one in. And I'll be right back, maybe 35 minutes. 30 minutes to 35 minutes will be in the oven at 350. You preheat your oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Your cake should be out. Your banana bread should be out. So guys, remember, leave me a comment in the comment box how you make your banana bread. Maybe I'll try your way and you try my way. Okay guys, so this is my finished product. My banana bread. All nice and pretty. So now I'm gonna have a slice with my almond milk. My daughter is gonna have a slice of hers too. So guys, remember to like, share and comment. Share with your family and your friend. I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, so please help me. I love you all. Bye bye.